Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another tech video, and today I've got you an unboxing of the Logitech G332 gaming headset. Now I'm gonna be unboxing this bad boy. I thought I'd bring another gaming headset into the mix so we could compare these to the Razers and to the Fusion gaming. Now before I actually get into this box, let me mention the price. I bought this at Best Buy for 40 bucks. It was actually on sale. And they have various different models, so don't get it confused. It will be the G332 model. So because there's many different models of the specific headset, and they pretty much all look exactly the same. But this one cost me 40 bucks. I'll throw it up here on the screen at Best Buy, 40 bucks. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. So now let's crack open the box to see what's inside. Alrighty, so we've got it out of the box, and as you can see here, it comes with some nice presentation here. As you can see, and it is red. There's many different colors of it. And I thought I'd get something a little different than what I usually get, which is just all black. So let's open this up. Just gotta crack this open. Alrighty, so the first thing you're gonna get in the is, of course, all your manuals, all the boring stuff, how to set it up. We don't need that garbage. But if you do need it, it is there. But let's get to the good, sweet stuff. As you can see here, this is the headset. Let's get a little action here. As you can see, the red accents inside the ear cups, we got a little red in there, and also we got a splitter here. So this is pretty convenient. None of the headsets that I've ever bought has actually ever came with a splitter, and it's not really needed much, but it is really convenient to have. So far they feel pretty good in the hands. As you can see, the mic just kind of retracts in and out. It's not removable like all my other headsets. Let me just try this on real quick. Oh wow, this actually feels pretty good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, I actually wasn't expecting this. And this is from Logitech, and they have a pretty good weight to them. I wasn't really expecting this. Even though they're plastic, they don't really feel like if it's plastic. It feels really premium. As you can see, we have a nice cushion at the top. But I'm gonna be saving all this stuff for the review and for the comparison. I will be comparing these to the Razer Kraken Pro V2 headset, as well as the Fusion gaming headset. So stay tuned for those videos coming out in a couple weeks. And this headset so far is pretty good. Like I said, it is wired, not wireless, so don't want to get you guys confused. But for 40 bucks, wasn't really expecting it. But so far, guys, this headset seems really, really good. And yeah, that wraps up today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JJTech123. I'll put it in the description box down below, so you can give me a follow. Also subscribe down below, and yeah, turn on post notifications as well, so you guys can get notified whenever I upload that review video, as well as those comparison videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.